In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave.video Captions. Captions make your videos more accessible, help viewers follow along in noisy environments, and can boost watch time. So let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to the Wave.video homepage. This is where everything begins. On the top right, click Sign In to access your account. On the login screen, choose Sign In with Google. If you prefer another sign-in method, that works too. Just use whatever you normally use to access your Wave.video projects. Once you're in, you'll land on your videos page. Here you can either upload a new video or pick one from your recent projects. If you're uploading, give the file a moment to process before moving on. The platform needs to prepare it for editing and captioning. Clear audio will deliver the best automatic captions, so it's helpful if your recording is free of background noise. Next, click Edit Video to open the editor. When the editor loads, look to the left-hand panel. You'll see the Captions section there. Go ahead and click it. This opens the dedicated area where you'll generate, add, or manage your subtitles. Click Add Captions to begin. You'll now choose how to add them. Auto, upload a file, translate, or add a blank. Here's how to decide. Auto is the fastest option. Select the spoken language of your video and let Wave.video transcribe it for you. When it's done, review the text for names, technical terms, or brand phrases that might need correction. Small edits go a long way toward accuracy. If you already have a caption file, choose Upload a file and add your subtitle file from your computer. Standard formats like SRT or VTT work well, and their timing will be preserved. This is ideal if your captions were prepared elsewhere and just need to be attached. If you need your captions in another language, pick Translate. Choose your target language and generate a translated track. As with any translation, give it a careful proofread for tone and terminology before you publish. Finally, Add a blank lets you create captions manually from scratch. You'll add segments, type your text, and align it to the spoken words. It's more hands-on, but perfect when you want complete control. As a finishing tip, consider skimming through the captions to fine-tune timing and punctuation so the text appears naturally with the speech. When you're satisfied, your captions will be part of the project, ready for your next steps in Wave.video.